This is a police story at the time when cops were held in the highest esteem, a portrait of a brighter, kinder era. The story revolves around three members of the police force, namely Homer, Conrad, and Billy, who are called the Three Musketeers and sometimes the Beatles -1. Individually, they are excellent cops, but together they are formidable. A series of murders happen in a slum area, and the victims are all teenagers and known troublemakers. The case consumes the three police officers, most especially Homer, whose two children are of the same age as the victims. The period of the film is in the 70s, and with the coming of the first quarter storm that swept the colleges and universities. Hope, one of Homer's children, becomes idealist and realizes the social injustices prevailing in the society. After the declaration of a new society, the immense gap between the rich and the poor continued to widen, causing more dissent from the young students, with many of them vulnerable to disappearance. Homer learns to let go of his fears and the job he loves, and goes against the time to embrace the changes without succumbing to it. This is a crime thriller movie written by Michiko Yamamoto, Moira Lang, Anthony Sanchez, starring Yolo Pascual. The title of the movie is Manila's Finest, production Signal TV Incorporated, director Ray Red.
Grabe yung Yolo Pascual. Dire-diretso rin.
Taon-taon natin kasama sa MMFF. Walang patid.
Ayaw magpatalo kay Enzo.
Iba talaga.